If you have multiple PDF files like bills, bank statements, or monthly reports and want to keep them all in one file for easier tracking, merging them makes it super convenient. Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to merge PDFs using Systweak PDF editor step by step. Let's say you have 3 separate PDF files and you want to merge them. Open Systweak PDF editor and head over to the top menu bar. Click on the Tools button. From the list of options, click on Merge PDF. Now click on Add Files. A window will pop up. Select all the PDF files you want to combine and then click Open. Once the files are added, you can rearrange the order if needed. Just select any file and use the up and down arrows to change its position. This gives you full control over how the final merged PDF will be arranged. When you are ready, click on the Merge button. Next, choose where you want to save the final merged file and then click Save. Systweak PDF editor will instantly merge all the selected PDFs into one single file. Let's open the merged PDF. And as you can see, all the pages from the selected PDFs are now combined into one neat file. That's how easy it is to merge PDFs using Systweak PDF editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If this video has helped you, consider subscribing to our channel. It's a small click for you, but it keeps us going and brings more helpful content your way. Got a question or stuck somewhere? Drop it in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one.